With a population of 1.4 billion, India's energy demand is like a rising tide, relentless and unstoppable. In this pivotal moment, renewable energy isn't just a choice, it's the dawn that ensures our future. APAR Industries stands as the lighthouse in this transition, powering the dreams of not just a nation, but the world by empowering the global energy transition. By 2030, nearly 50% of the world's electricity is projected to come from renewable sources, driven by a surge in solar PV and wind energy capacities. APAR is aligning its goals with global priorities to provide modern, reliable and sustainable energy enablers on a global scale. The company has set ambitious long-term objectives to enhance its market presence and develop premium product portfolios across its core business verticals, that is conductors, cable solutions, telecom solutions, specialty oils, specialty automotive, lubricants and polymers, and the results are visible. With 65 years of excellence, we have consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation, becoming a trusted leader in power generation, transmission, distribution, automotive, telecom, railways, defense, and many other industries. We envision ourselves as pioneers in innovation as the world's largest global aluminium and alloy conductor manufacturer, India's largest and the world's third largest transformer oils manufacturer, India's largest exporter and producer of specialty and renewable cables, first and the only Indian company to provide end-to-end solutions in copper and fiber hybrid cables. Great Place to Work certified with 1900 plus employees. One of the top 10 players in the lubricants industry in India. At the heart of our mission, we align with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which equips us to address global challenges like climate change, water scarcity, and social inequities. Our global network includes 10 strategically located manufacturing facilities. Some environmental highlights in our manufacturing: 7.3% increase in renewable energy consumption, 4% decreased energy intensity in our cable and conductors manufacturing processes, 15% decrease in water consumption, 4.84% decrease in Scope 1 and Scope 2 emission intensity. Our commitment extends far beyond business. We are passionate about empowering marginalized communities and fostering a more equitable society. We actively strive to drive positive change in key areas such as healthcare, education, rural development, and gender equality. Powering India's infrastructure, from connecting the nation with Vande Bharat trains to safeguarding the nation with catering to the defense sector with infrastructure such as INS Vikrant aircraft carrier. Our APAR Parivar stands as the silent force behind groundbreaking innovations. Driven by the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation and sustainability, we are forging a greener, more sustainable tomorrow.